Hi, I'm Jenna, the Online Learning Graduate Assistant at Loyola Notre Dame Library. In this video, I'll show you how to search for and open an ebook. Let's get started. First, go to the main library page at lndl.org or use a link provided in your Moodle or Canvas course. In the middle of the page, you'll see our new OneSearch search tool. OneSearch searches through all the library's resources, as well as everything we have access to as part of the US MAI Consortium. There are multiple ways to access an ebook, and we're going to go through them together. Let's start by entering our search terms, artificial intelligence and neurodiversity. If your search involves words that go together like artificial intelligence, use quotation marks to narrow your results. Hit enter or click on search. And this is your first time searching, click on the yellow bar to sign in using your credentials. Okay, we've got over 130 results. So, using the limiters on the far left, we're going to select some options to narrow it down even more. Let's limit to available online with a source type of books and click on apply filters. Now we have an even more selective list of books with 3 options to choose from. Let's go with the last one, Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion for Dummies. Click on a book to open up the record. Then, at the top of the record, we're going to click on Available Online. That's going to open in a new window where we can see and discuss all of our book viewing options. Read online means you want to browse through the book by reading it within the reader. This is helpful if you're not sure if this book has what you need. Download book means you want to check this book out to your account. Checking a book out removes all access to the book for 21 days. No one else will be able to use the book while it's checked out to you. Download PDF chapter means you've browsed the book and you don't need the whole thing. You really only need chapter 4 and maybe parts of chapter 6. So, if you click on download PDF chapter, you can download just the chapters you need. Be sure to pay attention to the page count, which varies book to book. Okay, let's give it a try. Select the chapter you need, then hit download. Let's see. I want to download part 3. It's 86 pages, and if you can see here, the download icon is blurred out. That's because this book only has a 71-page limit, so I need to find a smaller chapter. Part 2, Examining DEI in the Workplace, is only 36 pages, and I can click on Download PDF. Once you find the chapter you need and hit download, you can repeat this as many times as needed just to be sure you're being mindful of the page count. So, when you download just the chapters you need and leave the book in its entirety to be available to other students, this is the preferred option. And that's it. I hope this helped you with your research. Check out our other videos to learn how to find a peer-reviewed article or search for a specific journal by title.